Here I have Panasonic Eluga A4 and let me show you how to add here the fingerprint on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down again, and here let's select the security or the fingerprint. So let me start with the fingerprint already. Tap Fingerprint Manager, and here let's read the instructions and tap continue. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. Let me use pattern. You can require pattern to start the device, or you can choose no thanks. Let me choose no thanks, and here let me enter the pattern, tap continue. Let's do it again just for confirmation. Here you have to choose the form of notification. You can select show all notification content, hide the sensitive one, or don't show notifications at all. Let me show all content, tap done. Now we need to find the sensor. The sensor is located right here. Let me show you. This is the sensor. Let's start tapping the sensor a couple of times just to save the whole fingerprint. So let's keep tapping the sensor. Alright, and fingerprint added. So here you can also tap done right here, or you can add another one. Let me tap done. Let me leave all the settings in the default state, and now if you would like to unlock the device, you can do it by using the fingerprint, or you can do it by using the screen lock. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.